Welcome everyone, as we explore the sleek MoNiBloom 3-fold portable massage table for your spa needs. This professional 82-inch table features a durable aluminum alloy frame and thick sponge cushioned surface. The non-slip feet provide stability, so your clients can enjoy a truly tranquil and undisturbed session. You can easily adjust the height from 24 to over 34 inches for perfect ergonomics. This ergonomic design includes a detachable headrest, winged armrests, and a convenient breathing hole for clients. Its vegan-friendly vinyl cover resists oil and water to ensure a clean and professional workspace every time. The 3-fold design lets you pack everything into the included carry bag for effortless travel. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.